Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will install Windows 11 updates. Press Windows button on your keyboard or click on the Windows. Open Settings. Then you will see either in this one, top right corner, you will see Windows Updates, or on your left hand side in the bottom, you will see Windows Update. We will open. Check for updates, click on this one. If you have any updates, it will list all the updates. It may take few minutes. It depends on the speed of your laptop. Just wait and install all the updates. Now Windows updates has been installed and we need to restart. We can click here. But in some cases, if we do not see this window, and usually we see, if we go on this power button, we see these options. We recommend update and restart. Choose this option. This way your installation process will be completed. If we choose update and shut down, it means half the process will go through, and remaining, when you turn it on, remaining process will go afterwards, and in some cases it takes very long time. So to avoid these things, choose update and restart. Thank you so much.